play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So if you see me, you see a new wig. I have a new wig for you guys today in this video. And if you do not know, today is the first day of fall. Well, technically not today, me filming this, but I am going to be putting this out on fall. So I'm going to give you guys my fall look. And if you haven't noticed, with all my fall looks, they're blonde or honey blonde or, you know, some type of brown color. That's how I feel. That's what I want. So with this year, I decided to do a lot of brown color for fall. Here it goes. Look how beautiful. Well, I ain't gonna show you like that. I'm gonna take it out the pack. So I did get this unit from Sheen. We love a little Sheen TEMU wig, okay? Let me go ahead and open it. Okay. Ooh. Don't forget to take the gut out. Y'all. Y'all. This right here, this one is gonna be a good unit. And y'all know I be knowing these synthetic wigs is good before I even put it on. Just by me looking at it and touching it, I know. Okay, don't play with me, because I know. I am the synthetic wig whisperer. This one is gonna be gorgeous. Okay, let me give you the details on this unit. Okay, so obviously you do see that it is different shades of brown. I see honey blonde, I see like the number 4 brown, which is just a regular brown. This is, but together this color is gorgeous. As you can see, this baby, this is gonna be beautiful. So we have 2 combs right here at the top. We have 1 comb in the back, and we have the adjustable straps. Now y'all, look at this. Just look at this unit. Like, girl, look at how pretty. I'm loving the way that they put this color. Like, they put honey blonde, they put the browns. Like, honey, I don't even know. This is so pretty. And of course, y'all know this is a synthetic wig, but you know what? I've seen now, because I'm looking in the mirror, it's really blonde up here, and at the bottom, it is brown. It is so pretty. So as you can see, we have a lot of plucking room. This is a 13x4 unit. All right, let me get this down. So I will be right back, because y'all, I got to get this together. Like, I got to get my hair down for this unit. Okay.
fall. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drink and it's clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't look like a loco. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the belt down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. But them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town. Is it gonna you the best? I done went and got a check. I'm about to flex. It's an auto my pocket. Pocket diamonds on wet. I got water around my neck. I done start to worry less. When the bottom bitch legs. High tech my fridge. Niggas sending me threats. I done bought another bitch. I'm protecting my flesh. Nigga palm my back. Been the fur on my hat. Don't come with no wrecks. I can never get a check. I shouldn't like a seat now. I got back on my feet now.